Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix can't uninstall Epic Games Launcher problem. So let's get started. Sometimes when we try to uninstall Epic Games Launcher, it might not be uninstalled. For that, we can do following steps. Make sure you have closed the Epic Games Launcher app, or we can simply get into Task Manager. And we need to go to Epic Games Launcher. So here it is. Simply tap on this and we can see this End Talks option. So let's tap on this. So it's done. Now we can simply get back and get into settings. Now get into apps and installed apps. Now let's search for Epic Games Launcher. So here it is. Simply tap on these three dots over here and click on it. And your app will finally be uninstalled. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.